The Earth's outer shell isn't a single piece. It's broken into massive tectonic plates. These plates float on molten rock and are always moving. Sometimes they collide, pull apart or grind against each other. But when too much stress builds up at their boundaries, the Earth can't hold it anymore. The energy is released as seismic waves, shaking the ground violently. This is an earthquake. The most dangerous earthquake zones. Some parts of the world are at extreme risk because they sit directly on major fault lines, the cracks where tectonic plates meet. The Ring of Fire, the most dangerous earthquake belt, circling the Pacific Ocean. It includes Japan. The 2011 tsunami was triggered by a massive quake. Indonesia, the 2004 earthquake caused one of the deadliest tsunamis. California, USA, home to the San Andreas Fault, always at risk. Mexico, frequent earthquakes due to plate subduction. The Himalayan region, India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Bhutan. The Indian plate is pushing into the Eurasian plate, creating deadly quakes. Turkey and Iran, located on the Anatolian Fault, where major quakes are common. Italy and Greece, the Mediterranean region experiences frequent seismic activity, signs of an upcoming earthquake. Can we predict earthquakes? Science is still trying to find an answer, but sometimes nature gives subtle warnings. Small tremors. Sometimes tiny quakes come before a big one. Unusual animal behavior. Some animals act restless before an earthquake. Sudden water level changes. In some places, well water rises or disappears before a quake. But remember, earthquakes can strike without warning. That's why being prepared is our best defense. What to do during an earthquake? If you are indoors, drop, cover, and hold on. Get under a strong table. Protect your head. Stay away from windows, mirrors, and heavy objects that could fall. If inside a tall building, do not use elevators. Use stairs when safe. If you are outside, move away from buildings, trees, and electric poles. Find an open space and cover your head. If you are in a vehicle, stop safely but not under bridges, flyovers, or power lines. Stay inside until the shaking stops. Check for injuries. Help yourself and others. Beware of aftershocks. Smaller quakes can follow the main quake. Turn off gas and electricity if you smell a leak. Listen to official news. Avoid rumors and fake news. We cannot stop earthquakes, but we can be prepared. We can build stronger homes, have emergency kits, and stay informed. Because knowledge is our greatest defense against nature's fury. For more science-based insights, subscribe to Science Pulse.